Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with keyword tool for long tail traffic, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the keyword tool website. Once on the homepage, you will see a prominent option to sign up or log in. If you are a new user, click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. After entering your details, click the sign up confirmation link sent to your email. Now, return to the keyword tool site and log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. Locate the section dedicated to long-tail keywords. Enter your main keyword or topic in the search bar. Select the specific platform you wish to target, such as Google, YouTube, or Amazon. Click on the search icon to generate keyword suggestions. Review the list of long-tail keywords provided for your main keyword. Pay attention to search volume and competition metrics for each keyword. Instead of choosing one keyword, consider building a list of the most relevant for each keyword. Check the related searches and questions section. Make note of keywords that resonate with your content strategy. To filter results, use the options available on the sidebar. Once you have gathered your keywords, decide which ones to implement. Ultimately, integrate these long-tail keywords into your content for better visibility. This process will help you attract targeted traffic to your platform. Now you are ready to maximize your content's potential with strategic keyword use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.